Okay guys, welcome back to the workshop here. What have we got today? Well, I've had this little device for, I don't know, more than 10 years I guess, quite a while. As you can see, it's a little bit grubby, it's been well used. What is it exactly? Magnetizer, demagnetizer? What's that all about? Well, maybe you've had problems with a screw and a driver trying to get the screw in somewhere, but you can't get your fingers in there. Well, that's what the little device is all about. Let's try this now with both drivers. Nothing. Nothing. What we do is just run the screwdriver through the magnetizer section. We'll do it with the this one too. Just running through there. Let's give the screwdrivers a go, shall we? Boink. Same with that one, look. And we should then be able to hold our screw on the end of the driver to get into those awkward areas, look. And it's the same for this other driver too, look. Pop him on. Done. Get in there, screw it in. What about all those times where this is going to be a pain in the bottom? Well, for those occasions we simply run the screwdriver through the demagnetizing section. And then what happens? Nothing. It's taking it away, look. Let's put it through the magnetizer again, look. Yoink. Now, as I say, I've had this one for quite some time now, but I've actually found them for sale on GearBest. So what I'll do is, I'll put you an affiliate link in down below, and you can, if you would like to purchase it from that link, it would help my channel no end. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching. If you did, please feel free to subscribe. You can also click like. You can share it with your friends, and you can also follow me on Instagram too. And I will be putting up my Patreon page in a moment or two. If you'd like to support the channel in that way, it would be greatly appreciated. Well, thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you here again for another review at some time. Alright, laters.
Ruff.